2019 Principles of Accounts, past question number 35. In a departmental account, the expenses to be apportioned on the basis of turnover is option A, say carriage inward. Option A says carriage inward. Carriage inward is not used. It's not used. It's not used on the basis of turnover. It's not used on the basis of turnover. Returns outward is not used on the basis of turnover. We're talking about expenses. Discount received is also not used on the basis of turnover. Carriage outwards is used on the basis of turnover apportionment. So option D, carriage outwards, is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.